Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial Selenium for beginners. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to see part 3 of web locators in Selenium, in which we are going to see CSS selector part. So in this video we are going to learn types of XPath, then types of CSS selector, and then we'll learn how to create your own CSS selector. So for that we'll use the practice site www.testandquiz.com. I have shared the link in description, you can copy from there. So before we start with the CSS selector, I just wanted to introduce you with 4 additional types of XPath. So we'll see first XPath types and then we'll move on the CSS selector. So the first type, that is using OR, second one is using AND, third one using text, and fourth one is using starts with. So now here I have mentioned the formulas for each type, and I guess now you are comfortable to create your own XPath by just putting values in formula. So in using OR type, we are using two attribute values, attribute 1 and attribute 2, and we are using OR condition in between them, so that if any one of the value matches, then we'll highlight the locator, we'll highlight the web element. So that is using OR method. Second one is using AND method, where we are again using two attribute values, but here instead of OR we are using AND condition in between them. So both values should match, then we'll highlight the element. So that is using AND XPath method. And the third one is using text. In third method, in sometimes what happens, the attribute values are not good enough to use in your XPath. Like there are some spaces in between them, or the values are not unique, these are repeated again and again. So we'll not be able to use unique XPath or the unique attribute value for any element. In that case, instead of any attribute value, we can use the visible text of the element. Like for example, for submit button, we can use the text which is written on this button, submit. So like that we can use the text value to create your own XPath. So that is using text. And the last one is using starts with. So using starts with, again it contains the attribute value, but the partial part of the attribute value, because as I said, sometimes the attribute value contains some spaces or the symbolic characters, which because of that we will not be able to use it as an attribute value. So in that case we'll use the proper partial part of that attribute value, and then the remaining part will avoid to use in your attribute value, so that will be under the type using starts with. So there we'll use the partial part of the attribute value. So read all formulas carefully and then practice by your own. So now we'll move on the CSS selector. So there are 5 types of CSS selectors using tag and ID, second one using tag and class, third one is using tag and attribute, and fourth one using tag, class and attribute, and the last one, that is substring matches. We'll see examples for one by one. So here I have mentioned the formulas for each CSS selector type. So read all formulas carefully. The CSS selector format is quite different than XPath formula. So we have to carefully identify the difference between XPath and CSS in terms of formula. So read all formulas carefully and then we'll try to create our own CSS selector. So now, as I said, you are enough comfortable to create your own CSS selector or XPath using the formula. So that's why I mentioned all formulas in one go, that we can save our time. So read all formulas carefully. Okay, so now by using those formulas, I have already created all CSS selectors just to save the time. So for that I have created one new Java class file in the package test cases. So all you know how to create the new Java class file, so I don't want to explain it once again. And then I have copied the initial lines to set the system properties, then the WebDriver initialization, and then driver.get and println. So all these steps I have copied from our earlier programs. So after that, here are the 5 CSS selectors using 5 different methods. So if you observe this formula carefully, you will understand them easily. So the tag and ID, tag and class, tag attribute, substring matches, tag, class and attribute, all types I have covered with examples. Just to save time, I have already pre-written all examples over here. So you can observe these examples carefully. So the first one is for submit button, second one is also for submit button, third one is using substring matches for submit button, and this last two are for checkbox, that is performance testing checkbox. And again the last one, that is tag and class, that is also for performance testing checkbox. So I have 5 different examples, so you try these examples by your own and then check the answers. So let me correct the spelling of performance. Okay, perfect. So now these are different examples, so read all examples carefully, try by your own, or also you can practice with some other elements. Practice will make you more perfect in order to learn the XPath and CSS selectors. Okay, so now we'll try one of the element by executing the program. So this is the program I have written to click on the submit button. So on this line I have just mentioned the line to find out the element using CSS selector, and I have used the first type, that is tag and ID, and then I have used the method to button.click. This method will click on the button. So let's save and run the program as Java application. Okay, so the Chrome driver has started successfully, and then here is the Chrome driver launched. Okay, so and the submit button is successfully clicked. Also you can read that message in your console. Let me show you the console. Yeah, so this was the video to understand this CSS selector methods. So here we end up with the third part of Selenium web locators. You have to practice these different methods with different web elements with different websites. So today we have covered additional types of XPath, then types of CSS selectors, and then we have learned how to create own CSS selectors using formulas. So that's it about the video. Thank you.